Hey guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Please subscribe to my videos if you haven't already. So 2017 has come to an end. It has been a great year for me. I made a video about why it was so great. Make sure you check that out. But as the year ends, this year I've tried so many different products. I've done so many different hauls. Make sure you check out my videos. I've tried so many different products, reviewed a lot of products, showed a lot of different things that I bought, things that worked well, things that I didn't like that well. So I just want to wrap this year up and let you guys know some of my favorites that I've come across this year so far. So I just want to get right into this. So the first one that I have is a co-wash, and it is the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Natural Cleansing Co-Wash. This makes my hair feel so clean yet so moisturized and conditioned. It's amazing. I love this stuff. It is a good deal. It's like $8 and this is 16 ounces. So I love this stuff. It works amazing, and I'm not a big co-washer, but when I do, whoop, this is what I reach for. So the next product that I have is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. This is an amazing, amazing, amazing deep conditioner. It's very thick, very moisturizing. It doesn't smell amazing, but that's fine. It's functional. It works amazing. My hair feels so moisturized. It feels like super juicy, super moisturized. I just love this stuff. This is like one of my go-tos when I need a lot of moisture. I love this one. The next product I have is a recent one I just came across. I've only used it one time, but it is in my favorites now because it works that well. It's the Miss Jessie's Rapid Recovery Treatment. This is my little sample size. I haven't gotten a chance to pick up the full size just yet because I used this, like a week ago. I am in love with this stuff, like absolutely in love with this. My hair soaked it up, like the front and the back. My hair in the front is low porosity and it takes a while for things to actually soak in. This one soaked right in. Normally I have like a white residue, not residue, but it's just like you can see that the product is still sitting on my hair and it hasn't penetrated yet, but this soaked right in. My hair was so juicy. It felt so moisturized. I love this stuff. I suggest you try this. Yeah, this is amazing for me. Nothing has ever soaked into my hair that fast and that well. This is definitely gonna be one of my go-tos. So the next one I have is a leave-in conditioner, and it's also my little sample size. I haven't picked up the full size just yet, but I plan on it very soon. I used this one recently. It's the leave-in condition. This one actually clumped my curls together very well, like no other leave-in conditioner has ever done. My hair felt very moisturized. Like, this is not a very liquid leave-in. It's a thick one. One of the thicker leave-ins that I have. And it worked very well. Like, my hair felt so conditioned, and I paired this with the Coily Custard, and they just worked amazing together. I do have the Jelly Soft curls that I have not used just yet. I want to see how that works with this one, but so far as a leave-in conditioner, I might use this all the time. Like, I don't even know. But no, this one is amazing. But I do have another leave-in conditioner. It is the Ever Butter Chocolate Souffle Natural Leave-In Conditioner. I picked this up from a natural hair show expo. It is a brand that is local to me in Metro Detroit. This stuff works amazing. It smells amazing. It smells like chocolate and cinnamon, and it just smells like deliciousness. This one soaks into my hair pretty darn well as well. It's a little bit thinner than the leave-in condition, but it is still quite a thick one. It does not pour, it does not run. So I am getting into the thicker leave-in conditioners. I'm noticing they're starting to work for my hair better. But this one is amazing, and I will link all of these products down in the description box to the websites where you can find these. The next product I have is also from Everbutter. It is a gel cream. It's the Curly Q Revival Gel Cream. And this is everything you want a gel cream to be. Everything you want a gel cream to be. It moisturizes your hair, and it also gives you amazing hold. My curls are defined, but yet they hold very well. But they're not crunchy. Like, it's not crunchy at all. I still have body and bounce in my hair. This one smells amazing. It's not the chocolate souffle, it's a different line. It's the green one, the other's the pink one. This one smells a little fruity, but it works amazing. It's literally everything you want a gel cream to be. So that's one product that you can use. You don't have to have a gel and a cream. Get a gel cream. This is the only gel cream that I've come across that actually works how you would want a gel cream to work. And then the last product that I absolutely love in 2017 is the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Coiling All Curls Elongating Gel. This stuff is amazing. This is just as good, if not better, than Eco Styler Gel. The one thing that I do like about this that is better than Eco Styler is it is a little bit thinner. A little bit thinner. It's still a thick gel, but it's just a bit thinner. So it goes on a lot easier, and it doesn't feel as heavy, but it holds very, very well. It leaves you a little bit of a crunch, but as soon as you scrunch it out, it's gone. Like, it's nothing major. But this is amazing, amazing, amazing. This is definitely one of my favorite gels, and the only one that the only one other than Eco that I trust to actually lay my edges down. I laid my edges with it today. If you can see, it actually works. So yeah, this is for wash and wear for super curly and coily hair, and it works. I've got coily hair, so it works for me. So I love this one. So those are the products that I am absolutely, absolutely loving in 2017. I do have a lot of other products that I really, really like, but these ones are my favorites that I am just like, if there's anything that I would really urge you to go out and get, it's these products. But I want to thank all of my new subscribers that I got in 2017. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Tell me what you want to see for 2018, any other types of hairstyles, any other types of videos. Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year.